How to enable QR codes in Honeywell scanners. In this video, we will show you how to enable or disable QR code reading in Honeywell scanners. To begin, you'll need to access the scanner's configuration settings. This can be done by scanning specific configuration barcodes from the Honeywell Scanning and Mobility User Guide. Locate the section titled QR Code in the user guide. Then, scan the Enable QR Code barcode to turn on QR code reading functionality. Once the barcode is scanned, the scanner will emit a beep, confirming that the feature has been successfully enabled. After enabling the QR code feature, test your scanner by scanning a sample QR code. If the configuration was successful, the scanner will read and transmit the data immediately. If you wish to disable QR code reading, simply scan the Disable QR Code barcode from the same section of the guide. The scanner will again beep to confirm the change. Thank you for watching.